Hello, in this video we would be talking about TENS 1.0 Quad by UltraCare Pro. This is a dual channel rechargeable TENS unit which is ideal for pain relief from muscle and joint pain. This device uses TENS therapy to relieve joint pains and muscle pain with the help of a technology which stimulates the nerves and helps in release of natural hormones which act as painkillers called as endorphins. At the same time, it blocks the pain-carrying pathways and helps in a long-term pain relief in a much more sustainable manner. The packaging comes with a TENS device, 4 electrode pads, a storage pouch, 2 lead wires, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. To use it, insert the lead wires into the TENS unit and attach the electrode pads to it. Now, place the electrode pads on the area you feel pain and discomfort. Long press the power button to turn the device on. Press the M+ and M- button to select the programs, the time button to set the treatment time, and P1+, P1- or P2+ and P2- to adjust the intensity and feel the pain relief. So say goodbye to pain with the help of TENS therapy with TENS 1.0 Quad by UltraCare Pro. Thanks for watching.